If you're looking for a scenic and refreshing bike ride through history and nature, start your journey at the Canal Exploration Center in Valley View, Ohio. This historic site, located along the Ohio and Erie Canal, makes an ideal starting point with ample parking, clean restrooms, and a water fountain to fill up before you hit the trail. The center also offers exhibits, a preserved canal lock, and insights into the region's 19th century canal life. From there, hop onto the Towpath Trail and head south toward Peninsula Depot. The ride is roughly 9 miles and winds through the heart of Cuyahoga Valley National Park, offering a peaceful, mostly flat route perfect for cyclists of all skill levels. As you ride, you'll pass restored canal locks, wetlands, forested stretches, a museum and visitor center, and stunning views of the Cuyahoga River, with plenty of opportunities to spot local wildlife. Once you arrive in Peninsula, the historic Peninsula Depot and the charm of the village await. Relax at a picnic table, explore local shops and eateries, or catch a ride back on the Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railroad. Bikes welcome on board. This ride offers the perfect blend of convenience, nature, and local history. A rewarding route for anyone looking to experience the best of the park on 2 wheels. All right, if you're out exploring Cuyahoga Valley National Park, there's a spot you definitely don't want to miss: Boston Store Visitor Center. It's right in the heart of the park, and it's more than just a quick stop. This place has some real history. It used to be part of a canal boat building operation back in the 1830s. Today, it's a great place to learn about how those boats were made, grab some maps, and talk to park staff if you have questions. There's a gift shop too, with books, souvenirs, and even locally made items. Need a break? They've got restrooms, a water fountain, bike racks, and plenty of parking. It's also right off the Towpath Trail, so whether you're biking, hiking, or just passing through, it's a perfect rest stop or starting point. Now, just a short walk or ride down the road is a little hidden gem called MD Garage. It used to be a real 1940s gas station, but now it's been transformed into a seasonal art gallery. They host rotating exhibits from local artists, all inspired by the park and the surrounding area. It's quirky, creative, and totally unique. Even if you're just popping in for a few minutes, it's worth the stop. Plus, it's free. So whether you're out for a bike ride, catching a train at the Boston Mill Depot, or just spending a day in the valley, Boston Store and MD Garage are two great places to experience the mix of history, culture, and natural beauty that makes this park so special.
It's never fair how you disappear.
All right, folks, we've made it. Welcome to Peninsula Depot, the end of our scenic ride from the Canal Exploration Center. You just biked about 9 beautiful miles along the Ohio and Erie Towpath Trail through the heart of Cuyahoga Valley National Park. We passed historic canal locks, winding river views, and got a real taste of both the natural and cultural history of the region. Well done. Now that we're here in Peninsula, take a little time to explore. The Peninsula Depot itself is a restored train station and an active stop on the Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railroad. If you're feeling tired, you can even hop on the train and ride back. Yes, they do allow bikes on board. Just across the tracks, you'll find the charming village of Peninsula. It's at a few great local spots, cafes, a sandwich shop, an ice cream parlor, and even some art galleries and gift stores. If you're into local history, the Peninsula Library and Historical Society is just up the road, and it's worth a visit. There's also parking here if you got a shuttle plan, or if you're turning around and riding back. You know the trail by now, smooth, scenic, and mostly flat. Thanks for riding with us today. From lock tenders to locomotives, you've experienced a little bit of everything this park has to offer. Enjoy the rest of your day here in the valley, and as always, stay safe, stay hydrated, and keep on pedaling.